Is this Sang?
Yes, this is Sang.
Hey Sang, are you free for lunch this week?
Hey, let me check my schedule.
Sure. I'm busy on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday afternoon.
I'm also busy on Monday and Tuesday afternoon.
How about Wednesday afternoon? We are both free then.
Yes, Wednesday afternoon work for me.
Great. Let's eat something delicious.
Yes, I'm really hungry.
Do you want to go to a restaurant?
Yes, let's go to Hadilao.
Sounds great. What time?
How about 12:30?
Perfect. I can't wait.
Me too. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Yeah.